With more than 1,000 patents to his name, Thomas Edison is one of the most celebrated inventors in history. But does he really deserve credit for his most famous invention, the light bulb? The real story is more complicated than you might imagine. Almost 40 years before Edison was granted the patent for an electric lamp in 1880, an Englishman named Frederick Desmoulins claimed the first patent for a filament-based incandescent lamp. In Desmoulins' patented design, an electric current heated powdered charcoal between two platinum wires in an evacuated glass tube. Unfortunately, such early light bulbs weren't commercially viable. The platinum filaments were too expensive and burned out too quickly. Desmoulins was just one of the inventors working on lighting up the world. Another Englishman named Joseph Swan actually demonstrated a working lamp with a carbon filament in early 1879, nearly a year before Edison's version debuted. But despite Swan's successes, his bulbs were not useful for consumers either, as they still burned out too quickly to be an affordable solution. Finally, in October 1879, Edison had a breakthrough when he realized that a very thin carbon filament with high electrical resistance was needed to make a light bulb practical. After testing as many as 6,000 different materials, he settled on carbonized bamboo to make his filaments. And by early 1880, Edison's bulbs could last some 600 hours. In fact, the bulb he created is very similar to the light bulbs we use today. Edison and Swan both applied for patents by 1880. Ensuing litigation between the two ended when they formed a joint company in 1883. So while many inventors contributed to the development of the light bulb over the course of decades, it really was Thomas Edison who finally succeeded in making electric light a commercial success, and the light bulb one of history's most famous symbols of innovation.